Hi, Liz Beavers with Graphic Solutions Group. Today I want to talk about some other machines that ZSK manufactures that isn't always just embroidery. ZSK, most of you know, manufactures wonderful embroidery equipment, great technologies, beautiful stitch outs. But what a lot of you don't realize is they also manufacture equipment that can do leather goods, such as these on here, for interior of automotive, aircraft, chairs, furniture. Also, leather goods, anything leather that has, like for cowboy boots, and all the beautiful stitching everywhere on the boot. What's unique about this equipment is it actually comes with an OPS system, which is actually a camera, an eye if you will, has a light fixture around it. It actually looks at the fabric, makes sure the penetrations are precisely the same distance, and it recognizes the color change. So this camera system is very unique. So anytime you're doing interiors of aircraft, automotive, furniture, you need to come speak to one of us here at GSG about the ZSK equipment and let us introduce to you products that can help in your manufacturing and production. Thank you.